tallest pyramid do you think we've seen so far?
We might never know the answer to that question.
That's the coolest way he could have answered that.
This next room was the king's final resting spot.
As far as we believe,
Let's do it. Whoa! Holy crap, boys! What is this? 4,600 years ago, this chamber may have contained the king's mummified body. This is where the pharaoh was buried.
this is what we believe is the final resting place.
Na festa do fim de semana, só um rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto. Na festa do fim